please don't use Derman hoses. Use Dodge Dart. Y'all recognize this? Yeah, every time I see one of these cars, I think about my buddy 69 Dart Man. All right, coolant leak, guys. Now, y'all know how Chrysler, or not just Chrysler, guys, a lot of car makers are now utilizing plastic in their coolant system, okay? And Dodge is no exception, okay? I put pressure on this earlier, and you can see all my coolant leak is coming right here, and it's ended up on top of the transmission, so it can, in fact, fool you, so be careful when diagnosing these. Now, I gave her an estimate, guys. This is one of my friends. I highly recommended that she use Mopar. Yeah, Mopar hoses. Now, nothing against Gates and all those other guys, but the fittings, guys, they don't make this stuff like I would have no problems replacing this straight connection, blah blah this, bam boom bam, and I'm done. However, if I got an aftermarket hose kit, I probably would get the hose that just come from the radiator to right here, and that's it. Okay, now with Dodge or with the OEM hose, everything is pretty much set up just the way it is from the factory. This is why I like using OEM parts. Right, ain't gotta guess at nothing. Even this, like this part right here, this is very crucial to the success of this hose. Y'all see this? This is a different kind of funky connection that go to the radiator. Push it in, click. Yeah, I love that. All right. Aftermarket, you probably would just get the hose that connects to this, and I'm not interested in all of that. So I advised her to get me some Mopar parts. She did, and I gave her a damn good price, because now that I'm assured I have good quality parts, the job is easy. You give me easier part, you might wind up with a discount that will, in fact, save you money. The extra money you spent, guys, I'm aware that OEM parts are a little higher, but the money you spent on the parts, you probably would get saved, because the mechanic, yeah, would feel comfortable putting these parts on. These parts should last forever. Now, you can't say, well, the original Mopar parts didn't last. Guys, there's a lot factored into premature. This is not even premature. This car got like 150 some thousand miles, so technically it's not premature wear. It's just leaking. All right, plastic. You got to change your coolant too, guys. This car uses over 2014, so it uses the 10-year 100,000 mile coolant, guys. Yes, technically or supposedly this coolant should stay should maintain cooling system reliability for up to 100,000 miles. I just said this car had well over 100,000 miles. So if they have never changed this, could that coolant have contributed to these fittings early depth? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not a scientist. I'm a mechanic. I'm just a little scrub mechanic that put on parts that fail. Yeah, I'm called a lot other names in my comment section from time to time, but I'm okay with that. I can live with that. I'm talking way too much, guys. I'm not gonna film me doing this because it's straightforward. Now, these fittings, guys, these are funky fittings. If I can't find none, if I don't have any, I'm gonna go straight with either tensioner clamps or either worm clamps. Okay, I always have a hard time taking those off and reusing them, because I usually have to twist them off and bang them off, and they become unusable at that point. But we'll see when I get there. But again, I'm not going to film this, so once I leave this, I'm done. I'm getting ready to put on. These ain't Derman now. No Derman. All right, please don't use Derman hoses. Use Mopar OEM. I got to go, guys. Thanks for watching.